Lesson 22. Level B1. B1 plus. Past perfect simple. What had just happened? Story 1.
Melissa, 32 years old, the Netherlands. What a hectic and stressful day I had yesterday. I woke up an hour too late and realized that an important meeting at work had just begun. I opened my eyes, looked at the phone screen, and saw that my boss had just called me 7 times. When I saw what time it was, I panicked. I called her back immediately, but she didn't pick up the phone. I knew that she was furious. I got ready as quickly as I could and ran out the door. When I arrived at the bus stop, the bus had just left. My only option was to run to the office. As soon as I entered the building, my colleagues told me that the meeting had just finished. When my boss called me into her office, my phone started ringing. It was my daughter's nursery teacher. She told me that my child had just fallen off the swing and injured herself. I was terrified.
Story 2.
Chris, 24 years old, USA. I went to New York City with a group of friends last weekend to attend my sister's piano recital. It was a great trip, but not everything went according to plan. We almost missed my sister's performance. I slept in on Friday morning because I had forgotten to set the alarm. When I arrived at my friend Jessie's house to pick her up, her boyfriend told me that she had just left and gone to the airport by herself. I headed straight to the airport, but I got stuck in a huge traffic jam because there had just been a car accident. The police had just blocked the road, so I had to sit in the car and wait. When I finally got to the airport and met Jessie, a staff member announced that our flight had just been canceled. We had to book another flight, and we arrived in NYC an hour before the recital on Saturday. When we walked into the concert hall, one of the performances had just started.
Story 3.
Henrik, 38 years old, Sweden. You will not believe what happened to me 3 days ago. It was my friend's 40th birthday, and we went to his favorite sushi restaurant to celebrate it. He invited my wife too, but she decided to stay home because she was 8.5 months pregnant. Around 8:30 p.m., my phone rang. It was my wife, who told me that her waters had just broken. I was so shocked that I didn't know what to say or do. I couldn't drive because I had just drunk 2 glasses of whiskey. All of my friends had just drunk whiskey too, so none of them could help me. I tried to call a taxi, but all the lines were busy. My wife asked her sister to drive her to the hospital, and I went there on foot. When I arrived at the hospital about 40 minutes later, my wife had just given birth to our beautiful, healthy son. I still can't believe that it happened so early and so quickly.
The end of Lesson 22.